gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row your boat gently down the shore. If you see a dinosaur, let's all roar. Paddle left, paddle right, splish splash all the way. Wiggle in your seat so right, let's make this a fun day. Row your boat through the bubbly sea. If you find a hidden island, wave and shout, yippee! Row your boat, see the colors beam. Wave hello to animal friends, it's a magical dream. Sway, sway, side to side, sing and laugh and play. Adventure's fun when friends are near, let's row again.